Yo, look how slow this computer is. Look. I swear, I watched porn one time 3 weeks ago, Zach. One fucking time, and this shit can't even fucking load. Look, I hit the space, it don't even stop. One time I watched porn. Hey, don't play with me. The giveaway is still going on. Link in the description. Yo, 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 we are back for another video, and what are we doing today, Zach? The star of the show, the production behind the scenes. I've been meaning to give Zach's channel a shout for days. It's gonna be right here. I believe it's the right side. It might be over there. But yeah, Zach bought a fucking Lamborghini Huracan. Go check his video out. It's insane, dude. It's crazy. It's fucking pink too. Alright, so yeah, what is going on? We are back once again. The giveaway is still going on. I'm not gonna fucking tell you to go buy a bunch of shit. But if you like cool shit, check out the link in the description. We got cool shit. We are going to be restoring my Blitz 03s today and also adding new lips to Zach's Siberius ones, which we already split one of them, and then we're gonna split the other right now. I'm just gonna charge the camera a little bit and eat my ramen noodles because I'm budgeting as fuck because we're going to Japan and I bought a dope ass car. There's no way you're not gonna do it.
First try.
There's no way. It's gonna hurt your foot. Just use the hammer, just one drop. It should do it.
Be missing so many bolts.
You gotta hit it. Yeah, there you go. Damn. Those are so good. If it's cool. Once again, go watch Zach's video. He's the champ. He's got all the cool cars. That isn't even his car. That's my car. His cars are at home.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't mine?
No. That was all GoFundMe, you know it.
Huh?
Look how shiny they looking.
Well,
So,
no, I hope so.
So we kind of missed the first couple steps, but pretty much faces out, split the lip from the barrel, and Zach just went ahead and wire wheeled all the silicone off. Ooh.
That was a nice noise.
That was a nice noise. Damn, they look good. So now how these wheels work, it's the barrel goes to the lip.
We should probably put a towel down.
Just do it in the grass.
Give me that cardboard.
That worked.
So do I put the lip down or the...
But yeah, these wheels are really easy. So most three-piece wheels are barrel, face, lip, I believe, but these are like the Blitz, and it's barrel, lip, and then they actually get bolted together, and then the face goes in, and then the face gets bolted up. It's really weird. All right, so I don't know where I left off, but I got all the Blitzes taken apart except for one. I'm gonna show you guys how I took them apart. I'm not separating the lip from the face. I'm just pulling the face out of the wheel. So we're gonna do it on that wheel, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. You can probably do it, well, I guess you can really only do it one way. All right, so the first thing I did was roll my wheel over to my location of work, which is actually that cardboard, but first thing we gotta do is we're gonna take a 10 mil, an extension, and break all of these loose completely around. We'll be right back. Just like that. And start at the valve stem, so you know when.
Secret, and you gave it up to me. Boom. Don't look to John, because he's not gonna help you. You spill the secret family recipe today. Maybe you spill about me tomorrow. Is that something maybe that's a possibility? You were just saying. Just saying.
I'm not kidding you now. On my wheels, it's a 10 point, not or 12. I think it might be a 12 point. 12.8 on the front. You're gonna want to get your ratchet for that. Do this all the way around.
Cold lunch, pepper on your sandwich for my shit is gold dust. Don't bust, man, you get your shit towed up. Loud bug, great blunt. What you say, son? You don't go hard. Are you even gonna say song? Lyrics in my mind, never on replay. Nah, they on replay now. You ain't fucking with me. You ain't
okay, so after that, you'll be able to slide your. Face right out. Fell off. After that, if you are taking four wheels apart, you know, try not to mix up your faces. You probably won't. Mine are high disc and low disc, so I can obviously tell the difference. But I'm still going to keep the same face with the same barrel and lip. So let's clean up all these bolts. Zach's going to finish up his wheels, and then we're going to go to the store. We're going to get. So a lot of people are probably going to comment on this, like, why are you taking your faces out to clean that? your lip.
His
So,
faces.
on my wheels, my faces have these things. See, you can see where everyone was. That you can't clean under it. So I always took care of like out here, like I could have polished that, but you just can't clean under there, so that brake dust and the axle grease and all that just gets trapped there. And you know, I'm getting a new chassis, and I'm not using these wheels, so I might as well clean them and then show you
chassis,
guys
bro?
how to redo them. Yeah.
New chassis,
there was
bro?
a sneak peek in the other video that if you didn't catch it, you can go back and look.
They definitely caught it.
There was a sneak peek. If anyone has ever been to Japan or lives in Japan, I'm curious to know if we can go there and go to Origin Labo or D-Max and any store like that and buy like brand new body kits and stuff, because I know how hard it is to get kits over in America, so I wouldn't mind personally bringing a bunch of stuff over and then people just buy it from me for the same price like they sell it here. So let me know if anyone knows, because I do want to do that. I want to pick up stuff myself.
How long is your Roadster going to be on the shipment for? Like, how long will it take to get over here?
Oh, in October, I should have it like November 1st through the 15th, I would think. All right, so next step, you might find yourself at the local Pep Boys. All right, so you're gonna find yourself in this section. That junk.
That junk.
Get this one, that's cheaper. So we're gonna get 2 of those. But oh, there it is. Right here, this is what you want. This stuff is really, really good. All right, so now we're in the Sandpaper section. They got a whole pack, but I'm definitely not buying a whole pack, I can tell you that. You can see how this I haven't touched this lip yet. See all the like the dirty stuff back there, the brake dust and like axle grease. If I sit you guys right here, and if you take this pad like this, with it all nice and wet, you can see that it takes it right away. So I'm finished with this lip right here. It has like a nice brushed look to it. Sorry for the hose right there. But that's what you want right there.
This time we gon' set the fuck up right now. We gon' ride it all till it falls to the ground. Till it falls to the ground. This time we gon'
Alright, so before it gets dark, I'm gonna polish one of these wheels just to show you guys.
Till it falls to the ground. It's gon' fall to the motherfucking ground. And my flip flops inside the block. I rock, selling runs the cops. You clock, I pop, 2 pops, you drop. I swear that I won't ever stop. You think, oh no, don't think, just go. Perp stink, you know I flow. And it's the only way to go. I'm devoted, it's no show. Never lonely on the road. Cause my homies and my bro put this shit up on the map. You be sitting on the floor, kick back and I laugh while you struggling.
Alright, so as you can see, I am done with the one. All polished up, still brushed, all polished up, still brushed. It's really tough to get all this wax off. I should have bought like more towels.
Burns like the degree, cool it down, put some ice on it. Ain't got no time for shit. You lose it with me or against me, so you better get right or quick. The wick short, I'll ignite the wick. You got the new black lips?
Yeah, dude.
You spray paint them?
Carbon. Hard work! If you made it this far in the video and you think about doing this to your wheels,
Don't do it.
twice! Think
I'm
twice.
sweaty as hell. Look at this.
Worth it.
I'm sweaty.
Got rolls on my lap, you know I get the best weed. I'm an earthling, you can't hurt me. I'm untouchable. You wanna kill me, better hit me with a truck or two and hop up on my dick. This shit is getting too uncomfortable. Yeah,
Dude, finally done. There is sweat dripping down my face. If I had the money to buy new lips, I would, but these are step lips, and step lips are even more expensive. Whew. Do not ever do this unless you're balling on a budget like me, or if you didn't have a drill, because there's no way you could hand do this. You would be here forever. But was it worth it? Yes. But was it a lot of work? Like, poop, dude. Like, this was crazy. But let me show you guys the wheels. That's a rear, that's a rear. Those are the 2 fronts. Turned out really, really good. I wish I had a brighter light in the garage to show you guys what they look like, but really, really good. They came out super chrome. They actually came out like more chromish than polished. They came out like deeper. Okay, so you can clearly see the difference from that face and that face. This face has been clean, this face hasn't. So one of the cool things about my faces is these are actually chromed. These are dipped in chrome, or however they chrome, they aren't polished. So instead of polishing them, you literally just grab some Windex, spray it all over it, and wipe it down with regular paper towels, and they go from that to that, a nice deep, deep chrome. One of the cool things about the wheels that I'm giving away, the Blitz 03s that I bought, for one of you guys to actually win, I'm getting the faces chromed, and for that reason and that reason only, because it's just so much easier to keep clean. I don't suggest getting lips chromed just because it can chip, and if you're really driving like me and Zach and Juan, you know, rocks get in there, just polish is much better so it can take nicks out of it, you repolish it. You know, getting it re-chromed is a lot of work, but a face doesn't necessarily get messed up, and if you take care of them with brake dust and cleaning them, they'll last forever. God damn, they're like brand new again. I'm so fucking excited. Dude, that deep chrome really takes away from the polish. You'll never get it the same. But I kind of dig it. Like, it's like the lighter polish than that deep chrome. Fuck yes, they look so good. Alright, so that is it for the video. I got all the wheels back together. I'm pretty sure I just showed you how glorious they look. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial how to restore your old Japanese style wheels. This is a good budget friendly way to get wheels looking from like Zach's front wheels to what they look like now, because you can pretty much restore any wheel as long as it's not bent, cracked. I mean, you can restore those too, but at home with a drill, some gloves, and a little bit of free time, I would say, and polish. A lot of free time. But that is it, guys. Once again, Blitzo 3 giveaway. In the description, you can rock these dope-ass wheels without such big specs on your stock body cars. And if you win and you have an awesome Hot Boy car, you can put big lips on them. But yeah, that is it, homies. Link in the description. I will catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Deuce.
Thank you.